Hello friends. So we are back with our grammar tutorials. Prepositions, very important chapter for us, a very important area of grammar that we must master. It is an adventure, so to say. As Chesterton has said, you remember what did Chesterton say? An adventure is an inconvenience rightly considered, and an inconvenience is an adventure wrongly considered. So this is an adventure. Okay. So yesterday we saw 3 points. That is, first, prepositional occurrence in prepositional phrases. That is, preposition plus a noun phrase. NP we say, isn't it? Preposition plus NP. PP. PP is, that is, preposition plus NP, isn't it? And that's what we find here. This is preposition, this is NP. It can be with or without, sorry. It can be with or without an article. That is definite or indefinite. Example here, they are playing in the garden. Simple. Next one we saw is prepositional verbs. 2 words but 1 unit. You have got the example, don't worry about your future. You don't say don't worry your future, but you say don't worry about your future. Yesterday we have done it. Third one is in case of, third one is adjective plus preposition. You have in case, sorry for, I am sorry for my sins. I am sorry for my sins. I am afraid of cats. Some people are afraid of cockroaches. Yeah. Now fourth one is idiomatic expressions with the 2 prepositions. That is, in case of. This is first preposition, this is second preposition. So you have in case of floods, you may proceed to a camp. In case of floods, you may proceed to a camp. For want of, another one, for want of. For want of money, he hanged himself. It is a joke. Nobody will hang because he doesn't have money. So for want of marks, he failed. Yes. And another one, common one is in complaints with. Complain, not complain, the complaints. You should adjust your behavior in compliance with the rules of the college. Compliance means obey, you have to obey. That's it. Another very common one is at odds with. ODDS. Not odds, OATS. That is something for eating. But this is odds, at odds with. The prodigal son's behavior was at odds with the wishes of his father. That means against. In view of. Another one. These are common things. In view of heavy rains, or in view of the facts stated above, your case has been dismissed. Please, no proof. In view of the fact. On account of, very often we say on account of. On account of fever, I could not attend the class yesterday. On account of, means because of. So these are idiomatic expressions with 2 prepositions. I think that is clear. Example I have given you also here. In case of floods, or on account of floods. Yes, on account of floods, the college was closed. Or you can say, in compliance with the orders of the government, the college was closed. See, you can tell. In view of heavy rains, the college was closed. Yes, like that. So 2 prepositions. And then the 5th one is, you have got prepositions followed by that clause. Prepositions followed by that clause. For example, here, in the event that, see that clause. The event that there is an earthquake, please stay where you are. In the event that, it means if such a thing occurs. The event means if, so to say. And then it is followed by a that clause. Understand? The event that. So these are examples. You have got some more areas of occurrence, but for the time being, these are the 5 followed by other examples. Followed by, you can say examples like here. See, you are admitted on the basis that. On the basis that. I think now I can clear the board here. Okay. I think I will do this. Yeah. So you have got as I already said, again what we have done, you again say for want of fourth one. For want of evidence, the case has been dismissed again. For want of. In compliance with. In compliance with means obedience also. In compliance with the, you are supposed to behave here in compliance with the rules. Okay. At odds with. At odds with. Your behavior is at odds with the expectations of the teacher. Your behavior is at odds with the expectations of the teacher or parents. In view of heavy rains, in view of the facts stated above, your case has been dismissed. In view of your narration, your honest narration, we pardon you. Your honest statements, we pardon you. Another is on account of. It's a common one, sir. On account of. On account of heavy rains, the college was closed. Once I remember when I was in the college, a notice on account of inclement weather, the last hour has been let off. Then all the boys and girls, they were shouting at the top of their voice. So they are getting last hour free. Understand? So here that is idiomatic expression where we have got the 2 prepositions. Alright? Okay. And then the 5th one, today, new one, that is 1, 2, 3, yesterday we have done yesterday. Now that will be review to that clause, followed by that clause. Sir, no? In the event that, so preposition, in the event. That is prepositions, expressions followed by that clause. In the event that there is, a fire, you should run away. You should run away. See that. In the event that. Or you can have, as I told you already example, you are admitted on the basis that you are dismissed or admitted. Dismissed on the basis of the report given by the commission or made by the commission, on the basis, on the grounds, same thing, on the grounds. Understand? All you have got is on the grounds is you are being prosecuted on the grounds that you are on the grounds that you have misbehaved. On the grounds that you have misbehaved. You can say that. Understand? Or you can say like that. You can get you or he. You can get admission. You can get admission. What is the next one? Is it admission on condition that on condition that you produce originals. You can get, or you are admitted on condition that. You are admitted on condition that. He speaks to the effect that, or you speak, all speak, you speak to the effect that we are all fools. Some people speak like that. They think that the audience is a fool. So, audience, all the members of the audience, they are fools. So to the effect that, on account of the fact that, see, to the effect that you hit me to the then you can say, you reject, I reject all your requests on the grounds that you have been lying. You have been telling lies. Like that. I think now occurrence, now only we are just started this area of preposition. As I told you, it's very important also. You must be in a position to master this, and that will be a great asset to you. Yesterday I told you why these prepositions are so important in English language, because English is an analytic language. Means the relationship between sentences established by means of prepositions. So they are very important. Okay, bye. See you again with another dose of this grammar tutorials tomorrow or day after tomorrow in the near future. But till then, enjoy yourself. Also share this. If you get some benefit out of my classes, you must share with your friends so that they may also get benefit. Okay, so bye. Have a nice day.